Okay, we're going to replace a 8-inch Laurentian joint divider that has been nailed in without removing the panels. So the first step is we're going to shim it up on each side, on this piece and the bottom, so we can release it. And we have to be really careful because it is, if we reef too hard on this, it will crack the siding. So I'm just going to lift it up a little bit, slide a shim. I think we'll do that little tap. You can see how tight that siding is. It really, we don't need much, just enough to slide that out. Now on the bottom, we can do that after we take out this, where the nail is. Instead of trying to lift up the siding, because it's tongue and groove, it's impossible. So we're going to just score this, cut it off, and then slide the new one in. So we'll score up as high as we can, just with a regular utility knife. Once it's scored, we can just pop this and it'll slide out. We'll take our new joint mold and just make sure it slides up underneath there easily, which it does. And then we have to put a shim under here so we can slide the underneath piece in. We'll do the same thing with the shim. Now you can see that I've already rubbed through some paint, so make sure you have touch-up paint. Now, I figure there's two different methods you could use to install this. You could just slide this under, like we have it set up to do. But before you do that, fill the joint with caulk so this seals. The other method would be to pre-drill this so you can install it, put another color match nail in there. If you do that, you might run into a leak issue. So I think this will be the best method, but make sure that you fill this gap as best possible with caulk, at least on the sides of the siding, and as well as the channel on the divider, and especially at the top where it slides in. It might make a little bit of a oozy mess when you put it in there, but it'll be far better than having a water issue or having it blow out. So once the new piece is in and it's caulked, at this point if you wanted to drill it, you could drill a hole, set another nail, or if you just caulked it, you could just pull out the shims and you're done.